What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can withdraw Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to copy your Bitcoin wallet address from Trust Wallet. Now to do that, you just need to open the app inside your phone. I'm going to do that right now. So after you open the app, this is how it's going to look. You need to click on these three little lines in the top right, and you need to search, guys, for Bitcoin, as you can see. Now you want to click Bitcoin, you want to click on it, and you want to click on the receive. And what you need to do, guys, next, you want to click on copy. Yeah. So after you click, guys, on copy, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to go to your Binance, okay, and then you want to click on wallet in the top right, and then you want to click on fiat and spot. So after, guys, you click on fiat and spot, you need to scroll down a little bit and you need to search for Bitcoin. Okay, now this is Bitcoin, as you can see, the first option, the first results. As you can see, guys, this is Bitcoin. You need to click on withdraw in the action section. You need to click on withdraw, and you need to enter here the address that you have copied from Trust Wallet, and that's it. And then you want to select Bitcoin, as you can see. So after, guys, you select Bitcoin, what you need to do, guys, next, in the network, make sure the network is correct. This is very important, guys. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's like select Bitcoin in the network, and then you want to select the amount of Bitcoin. For example, 2 Bitcoins. Of course, I don't have 2 Bitcoins, otherwise I won't be here on YouTube. So you just need to click on withdraw. As you can see, you need to click on withdraw, and that's it. You can also send 0.5, like the half of the Bitcoin, and then you click on withdraw. That's it, and then it will be received. Like the Bitcoin will be will be received by Binance to your Trust Wallet. Hopefully it makes sense. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.